Welcome to Caliber Enterprises, manufacturer and exporter of nuts, bolts, and fasteners. The company was incorporated in 2005 at Mumbai. Our advanced testing machines and tools help us to cater North Africa, Middle East, and other countries. Convenient payment options and customization facility help us to serve textile, plastic, and cements industries. We offer a huge gamut of fastening screws, hexagon, and steel cage nuts. Our fastening rivets, threaded rods, and square head bolts are widely acclaimed in the market. We offer industrial bolts and studs that are best in the industry amongst others. Industrial washers, Bakelite knobs, and Circle V-clips offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Along with that, we offer threaded bars and dowel pins that are available at industry-leading prices. Our lock nuts for automobile and head bolts for electronics industry are a class apart. To get the best deal, log on at www.caliberfasteners.net.